Let me show you how easy it is to create an email design in Canva after the last update. You will see a new email format here on the left on the main page. Click on that. And from here you can start designing on this blank canvas, or like always you can use the design panel on the left to choose design or describe the design for AI use and generate this. So let's head with some very simple and straightforward designs like this one. So we got a pretty good start, plenty of text, we got some pictures, and of course now we can switch to Elements tab and we can drag in whatever else we need. Now there are so many elements that they're all grouped in categories. So if you need to put a chart here or a button, you can just open the correct category. Take a look, we got buttons and you can just drag it in. Here it is, you can name the button and then you can put the link on it so it's clickable in your email, in your mailing. Click Done and position your button on your design. You can make it very large or a bit smaller and you can drag it around. Keep in mind, you can modify color in any given moment. Nowadays, you got gradients at the bottom. Click See All. Some of them are from left to right. Some of them are from the top to the bottom. There are a few diagonal ones as well. So just try a few and pick the one you like the most. There's also a separate color for the stroke around the button. And like always, we can decide how thick the stroke will be. You can kick the stroke out completely if you don't like it. All right. So now you can kind of change everything in this design. This is simple Canva editing like always. You can even send the test email to yourself. So you can click the top button here. You can send this mailing as the test email to yourself and see how it is. And you can also make changes, make sure that all of the links are live. And if you are ready, there's also the share button here when you can actually send out the email to your mailbox or any other integrated mail list. So it's really solid. It's almost like you can do everything within Canva nowadays after the last update. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.